This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, an illuminated entry system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 17,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.